If you don't want anyone to clip or reuse parts of your YouTube videos, then turn off this setting immediately. This setting is enabled by default on many YouTube channels, and most creators don't even know about it. The name of the setting is Allow Viewers to Clip My Content. What is the problem? If this option is turned on, viewers can create clips from your videos and live streams. So what happens? When you turn this option off, viewers will no longer be able to create clips from your videos. Any clips that were already created will be disabled. So let me show you where this setting is and how to turn it off. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then here you search for youtube.com. Make sure you are signed into your Gmail account. After that, tap on three dots at the top right corner and make sure the desktop site is turned on. Then tap on your profile picture icon. After that, tap and hold on the YouTube Studio option. Then tap on Open a new tab in Group. This will open your main YouTube channel in a new tab. Just tap on the new tab at the bottom of the screen. Now your YouTube channel will open. Here you click on Settings icon at the bottom left corner. In the settings, here you tap on Channel. Then tap on Advanced Settings. After that, just scroll down. Then just turn off the option Allow Viewers to Clip My Content. After that, tap on Save to apply your changes. And that's it. Once this setting is turned off, no one can use your videos to create clips anymore. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips.